advancing healthcare with precision and innovation. Our general surgery team, along with the anesthesia team, successfully performed the first ever robotic umbilical hernia repair in Srikakulam district. With advanced robotic technology, the procedure was performed with enhanced precision and minimally invasive techniques. Robotic surgery offers improved patient comfort, smaller incisions, and faster recovery. This achievement reflects our commitment to delivering advanced surgical care and better patient outcomes.